guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about gentleness. Gentleness describes a strength that remains calm, careful, and non-violent in attitude and action. The term praute translates to related humility and controlled power. Jesus' self-description as a gentle and humble in heart sets the pattern of authority expressed through care even towards enemies and the vulnerable. Let's take a look at the opposite pattern for just a moment. The neuroscience of anger and aggression. Anger engages limbic structures such as the amygdala, shifts attentions towards threat, and suppresses prefrontal areas responsible for judgment and impulse control. Chronic anger reshapes neural circuits so that reactive responses and health risks arise more easily. Emotional regulation research, in contrast, shows that strengthening prefrontal control and reprisal skills reduces aggressive impulses and supports patient, measured responses. Gentleness therefore reflects a nervous system trained to keep regulatory networks online even when provoked. Compassion training experiments show that when people cultivate concern for others' sufferings, their brain displays stronger activation in areas for empathy and control without overwhelming distress, supporting responses that protect and help rather than attack or withdraw. Gentle, low-energy interactions can steer quantum states without destroying coherence. The sensitivity shows that extremely subtle forces can direct outcomes when systems remain receptive. And again, I have sources down in the channel bibliography. Please go check them out. A gentle mind functions in a similar way. Instead of overwhelm and chaos, a gentle individual's response requires stable inner regulation plus refined social perception, both of which grow through practices like prayer, mindfulness, and compassionate action. Meditation studies suggest that long-term practitioners show structural and functional changes consistent with greater emotional balance and empathetic control. So, quantum gentleness looks like low-energy guidance within a highly sensitive system. The Spirit's fruit shapes human consciousness into a medium where very small impulses of grace and wisdom can steer interactions without shattering fragile bonds, echoing how subtle quantum influences guide biological function.